Have you ever accidentally lost an Instagram post, whether it's a photo, video, reel, or story? Do not panic. I'm here to guide you through the process of recovering and restoring your lost content. Firstly, let's simulate the deletion process. We'll delete a story followed by a photo, a video, and then a reel. Now let's dive in and get those deleted Instagram posts back. Tap on your profile picture and navigate to your Instagram profile. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. Now navigate to recently deleted. Here you'll find posts, reels, and stories that you deleted within the last 30 days. Remember, anything older than 30 days gets permanently deleted automatically, so act quickly. To restore your content, simply tap to open the post you wish to recover, then tap on the three dots and select Restore. Repeat the same process for recovering reels and stories. This will recover the post as you can see here. If you can't locate your post here, do not panic. Head back to your activity by tapping on the three lines again. From there, select Archive. You can refine your search by tapping on the drop-down arrow at the top and selecting the content type you are looking for, like stories, posts, or videos. To restore your content, simply tap to open the post you wish to recover. Then tap on the three dots and select Show on Profile. If your archive folder is empty, it's a good idea to turn it on to prevent future losses. Here is how. Go to your profile and tap on the three lines, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Archiving and Downloading and tap on it. Turn on all the options to ensure that your reels, live videos, photos, and stories are archived properly. And there you have it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tweak Library for more useful tips and tricks.